In this video I'll show you how to make a toy from Happy Meal from McDonald's with your photo. So all you have to do first, go in the Google and type Gemini Nano Banana. Then go to the first link and press Try Gemini. Here you select Create an image and then just press this icon, Add Files, and upload the image with yourself. So if you don't have one, just take a quick selfie and upload that picture here, okay? Then you have to give a prompt. I paste the prompt here. You will find this prompt in the description below. After that, all you have to do is to press Submit. And in just a few seconds, you will have a Happy Meal toy from McDonald's with your face, of course. So just wait for a few seconds. You can see here loading Nano Banana Pro and will take less than 1 minute. Okay. And now you can see the toy here. The toy from McDonald's Happy Meal, okay? Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If yes, don't forget to press subscribe and like button, and I'll see you in the next videos.